If you want to get higher band in IELTS speaking, then this video is for you. Don't skip this video. Hello everyone, this is Mirhamla Azhar, your IELTS and PD expert, and today I'm going to tell you how you can improve your expressions in IELTS speaking part 1, part 2 and part 3. Number one thing is that you have to use some linking words, natural linking words. For example, you can use to be honest, okay? Like from my perspective, on the other hand, on the one hand, that's because to my mind, okay, these are some of the expressions that you can use in your IELTS speaking that can help you to be more fluent, more comfortable, okay. Plus, number two thing is that you have to extend your answers, give reasons, give examples, okay. For instance, for example, because examples are very important. For example, like examiner is asking you, do you like cooking? So just simply answer that, of course, I love cooking. Like whenever I get some free time, because I'm a very like busy person, I work from morning till night. So usually on the weekends, I get some time. And that's why I just try new recipes and I try to learn recipes from YouTube and I just experiment them on the weekends because I think that when I cook, I feel really relaxed. I feel like I'm active. So you can give reason and example. Okay, I've given the example of the weekend. Okay, that on weekend, like I like to cook. And the most important thing is that use fillers carefully. Okay, like and correctly. Like natural fillers are actually a good thing to use. So you can use like well, actually, let me think, I suppose. These are some of the fillers that can help you to be more natural in your speaking and gives expression also. Okay. Okay. Some students were asking me like in the last month that can we use our hands in front of the examiner? Why not? Okay, it will also give you confidence to speak because examiner is asking you, do you like sports? So you can say, oh yeah, I love sports because I think that this is the one activity that gives me or boosts my mind and maintains my mental health, my physical health. So I'm also using my hands. Okay, so you can use your hands in front of examiner. It's not a big issue. They will not do any negative marking. Okay, just keep that in mind. Okay, so then the other thing is that you can record your answers and then listen them afterwards, and then you will see how much you're improving, how much your like mistakes are there, and how much you have to like speak better next time. So record your answers and practice more and more. Okay, this is also going to help you a lot. Then there are some idioms or like some phrasal verbs you can use that can give you more expressive or more expression, like a piece of cake, okay, once in a blue moon, okay, like hit the books. This is what you can do in IELTS speaking. And when you are practicing, okay, the more important thing is that you have to think in English. Whatever you are like thinking that you have to do the other day or the next day, so just try to think in English. That will also help you to improve your expressions because expressions are really important in IELTS speaking. And give a challenge to yourself that you have to speak on daily basis, either with someone, either with your own self, or chat gpt is a very good tool. Okay, so you can give command to chat gpt that send me some questions I want to practice, and then chat gpt will help you to give or maintain a score. But don't depend on chat gpt's final score because it's like totally different from the IELTS speaking score, because IELTS speaking criteria and method is totally different. Okay, so now the final tip is that you have to speak in fluency. Okay, don't focus on perfect grammar, just focus on communicating the ideas. When your ideas are well communicated, definitely you can like engage yourself in fluency, and then you will see the better. And if you want to join my classes, okay, like I'm taking classes on monthly basis, like weekly basis. My speaking class held daily from 7:15 till 8 p.m. for like group classes. We have 101 sessions also, because in my sessions I try to practice with students. Okay, I try to give them the latest material that can help them to improve their fluency. And in the last result, my student got 8 bands and overall 8.5. And even if you want some writing tips or some reading or listening, you can message me under this post, and just subscribe our channel House of English. And my session starts right away on 1st June, so don't miss the session. You can register yourself, discounts will be given. If you think that I'm the potential person for you, I can like teach you well, I can communicate with you in a better way. So don't miss the chance and get enrolled in House of English.